Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, we will look at the steps to upload vouchers directly from Tally Prime to the GST portal at the click of a button. In Tally Prime 5.0, you can directly connect to the GST portal and upload transactions to update your GST returns. This will eliminate the steps of exporting JSON, Excel, CSV files and manually uploading the vouchers on the GST portal. You can now execute all the steps at the click of a button. A new menu option has been provided to help with the upload of vouchers for GST returns. Using this option, you can upload the summary of sales, purchase, liability, and ITC periodically in the form of GSTR 3B. Similarly, the composition dealers can send CMP08 returns. To upload GSTR 3B, press Alt-G. Type or select GSTR 3B and press Enter. In the GSTR 3B returns report, select the return period and GST registration for which you want to upload the vouchers. Also, notice your last GST activity date and time. Since you are uploading for the first time, there is no past activity record. Press Alt-Z or click Exchange. Click Upload GST Returns. In the Upload GST Returns screen, you will find the summary of transactions for the selected period. Press S or click Send. Click Send OTP and enter the OTP sent to the registered mobile number and email. The login session is active only for a maximum of 6 hours. When you attempt to send vouchers after 6 hours, a new OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number to help you log in again. You can see the status of data exchange with the GST portal. You can see the message once the upload is complete. You can see your last online GST activity in the GSTR 3B returns report. To know the upload status of GSTR 3B, press F1, Troubleshooting, select Online Upload Download Tracker and press Enter. You can see that the status of GSTR 3B upload is shown as successful. You do not have to open the respective return reports like GSTR 3B to upload the returns. You can use the Exchange menu option from anywhere. Press Alt-Z from the gateway of Tally or any other screen in Tally Prime and upload the GST returns. Similarly, you can upload GSTR1 and CMP08 returns online. As you saw, Tally Prime 5.0 allows you to directly upload your GST returns to the GST portal. The upload process is simple and secure. It can be done at the click of a single button. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl plus F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.